Hello friends, in this video we learn about simplest form of fraction. We also discuss about what is simplest form of fraction, how we convert fraction into simplest form and shortest way to convert equivalent fraction into the simplest form of fraction. Let's start. For example, we have fraction 2 over 3, 7 over 9, 8 over 13, 13 over 12. In all these fractions, in both their numerator and denominator, there is 1 is common. 2 over 3, there is 1 common. 2 over 3, 1 is common factor in numerator and denominator. 7 over 9, 1 is common. 8 over 13, 1 is common. So, common factor in all these fractions is 1. So, all those fractions when 1 is common factor in numerator and denominator is known as simplest form of fraction. That fraction is said to be simplest form of fraction when 1 is common in numerator and denominator. So, a fraction is said to be the simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1, means 1 is common factor. For example, 49 over 64, 7 over 27, both the fraction 1 is common. Now we convert fraction into the simplest form. 14 over 63. Both the fraction 7 is common. So 14 and 63 both are divisible by 7. We divide both them 7 over 7. 14 divide by 7, 63 divide by 7. 14 divide by 7, we get answer 2. 63 divided by 7, we get answer 9. So 2 over 9 is the simplest form of fraction because 1 is common in numerator and denominator. There is no any other number that is common between 2 and 9. So 2 over 9 is the simplest form of fraction. Let's we take one more example. 36 over 54. Both the number are divisible by 2. Both numerator and denominator divide by 2. 36 divide by 2. 54 divide by 2. 36 divide by 2, we get answer 18. 54 divided by 2, we get answer 27. Now we find the common factor between 18 and 27. Common factor of 18 and 27 are 1, 3, 9. 9 is the highest common factor between 18 and 27. So we divide both numerator and denominator by 9. 18 divided by 9, 27 divided by 9. 18 divided by 9, we get answer 2. 27 divided by 9, we get answer 3. So 2 over 3 is the simplest form of fraction because 1 is common in numerator and denominator. There is no any other number that is common between numerator and denominator. So 2 over 3 is the simplest form of fraction. The shortest way to find the equivalent fraction in the simplest form of fraction. We simply find the HCF and divide both numerator and denominator by HCF. Let's we take an example 36 upon 24. We find the HCF of 36 and 24 using prime factorization. Both the number are divisible by 2. 36 divided by 2, we get answer 18. 24 divided by 2, we get answer 12. Again, both are divisible by 2. 18 divided by 2, we get answer 9. 12 divided by 2, we get answer 6. Now, 9 is not divisible by 2. So, we use next prime number, that is a 3. 9 divided by 3, we get answer 3. 6 divided by 3, we get answer 2. 3 and 2 not divisible by common number. So we find the HCF of 36 and 24. HCF of 36 and 24 Multiply these numbers. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. We multiply these numbers, get answer 12. So 12 is the HCF of 36 and 24. It is the highest common factor between 36 and 24. So we divide both numerator and denominator by 12. 36 divided by 12, 24 divided by 12. 36 divided by 12, we get answer 3. 24 divided by 12, we get answer 2. 3 over 2 is the simplest form of fraction. Because 1 is common in numerator and denominator, there is no any other number common between numerator and denominator 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 is the simplest form of fraction. Thanks for watching. Like and share my video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.